और Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Ban Persya ia Jingïakhih bom Lathi ki Samla Pule ki Jingïakhih hanong ba Delhi ban dawa ba Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih ke Sarkar udai ban risanyo ka Seng Kongres ke Pynlong da ka Jingïakhih Hakhmat Ïingu jong Menteri rang ba du kari Narendra Modi ya kani ke Jingïakhih lailam de kinoi lam rang ba jong Seng Kongres ba kenthop yau Presiden u Mallikarjun Kharge u Rahul Gandhi ka Priyanka Gandhi bat ki weipan ki dekhot ka Seng Kongres ki Pynlong Jingïakhih Shah Ïingu u Kharge Harajaji Mark bat hadin kata kilech Hakhmat Ïingu Modi halo kalian mak u Rahul Gandhi ulaong ba kani Jingïakhih kadai ka jingdawa na ka sarkar ba kadai ban ajuba balai ki pulit ki bom keput ka Seng Kongres kadawa menta ka kinti ba menteri rang ba du u Narendra Modi bat u menteri ketenat kampo Ïingu u Amit Shah ba kadai ban risanyo
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.